Your Excellency, there are so many senior civil servants who are here from this part of our country whom you have given responsibilities, for which I thank you. And my colleagues and the leaders who have spoken before me have thanked you very much. But I just want to say two things in 2 minutes. One, for the first time, let me say this publicly. Your Excellency, I thank you for the trust you have bestowed, for the faith you had in me and us, and for the incredible trust that you had, particularly in me. The experience I've had working with you has been extremely humbling. It hasn't just been work. If we had more time, I would talk a lot about it. You took me as your younger brother. We have spent a lot of time together working with you. And I can give a day-long testimony to a lot of things that I've come to know because of the way in which you work and who you are as a person. Mimi tu leo mbele ya hawa watu, because this is home, Your Excellency, is to say thank you. Asante sana. I may not have been the most deserving. I wasn't in any way special, but you trusted me and gave me a job. And it has been an experience of my life. And on this, I speak on behalf of many of our senior civil servants who have worked for you. I have had a front row seat in your administration and witnessed firsthand. And as I tell our people, even in our meetings, I know and I can speak to it accurately. You actually love our people and you have a soft spot for our people. And as you always tell me, stories you have shared with me about how your own dad used to tell you about the people of Gusii and how we should spend a strong relationship together and build a bond among ourselves, it is true. Because I've worked with you, I have known how you behave when you are making appointments and what you think about our people.